Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will teach you how to use coupon codes on Temu website. Make sure to watch all the way through to not miss a single step. First, open the Temu website and find the product you want to buy. Here, I've chosen this nice looking minimalist desk lamp. Now, select the variation of the product and add the item to the cart. After that, go to your cart and review the product you want to buy. Make sure to select it and tap on Checkout. If you browse through the website, you can find an apply coupon code at the right side area. If you have a voucher available, it will be shown here and your discount will be applied instantly. Now, choose your payment method, review your order, and submit. And that's it. Pretty easy, right? Enjoy your savings on Temu. Don't forget to like this video for more helpful tips. See you next time.